Hey techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python on Windows. Before that, make sure whether you are using 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. I am using a 64-bit operating system. Now open your web browser and search download Python. Choose the first link that appears. You can see the Python for Windows. Choose this. And you can see the latest version of Python 3.8. Click on this link. As you go down, you can see the executable installer for Windows 10 64-bit. Click on this to download. You can see the Python is downloaded. Now double click to open the file. See, click on this option add Python to path. If not, your command prompt is not aware of the Python you installed on your computer. Click on the customize installation. Click next. You can change your location by browsing through your directories and then click install to install. I'm using a default installation. It may take some time to install. So it has installed successfully. Let us check in command prompt. To know the Python version we have installed, python-v. See, it's showing the latest version 3.8. So now let's try hello world in Python shell. So we are writing hello world. See, it's printing hello world. Coders Yard. Yeah friends, it's working. So that's all guys for today. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.